Exciting news. TEAL is heading to the Energy, Drone, and Robotics Summit next week in Houston, Texas. Join us from June 16th to the 18th at the largest event in the world for industrial robotics, drones, and groundbreaking tech innovation. Are connectivity issues holding back your operations? High roaming charges, unreliable coverage, and the hassles of managing contracts with various connectivity providers shouldn't stop your business from achieving its full potential. Don't get locked into contracts with traditional solutions like MVNOs that can't provide the reliability, flexibility, and performance your solutions need. Discover why leading global drone and robotics companies trust TEAL to keep their mission-critical solutions connected anytime, anywhere. We're helping businesses like yours with cutting-edge technology designed to deliver seamless performance wherever you operate. Experience performance without borders with instant access to carriers in over 196 countries, ensuring uninterrupted operations for your products globally. Benefit from unmatched redundancy, eliminating the risk of outages and dead zones to guarantee uptime by giving you the ability to dynamically switch between carriers over the air via TEAL's cloud-based Aurora network orchestration system. With effortless deployment, you can scale your operations without having to worry about swapping out SIM cards. TEAL has more network operator agreements in place than any connectivity provider, period. So you can ensure that your solutions can connect to the best cellular networks in any environment on demand. Say goodbye to roaming restrictions and the unreliability of MVNO solutions. Connectivity is no longer a barrier, but your competitive edge. Our mission-critical connectivity solutions are designed to empower innovation, whether you're scaling your operations or entering new markets. Don't take our word for it. See TEAL's impact for yourself at the Energy, Drone, and Robotics Summit. We make staying connected simpler, smarter, and more reliable. DM me to book a meeting or use the link in this post to schedule a time to meet with one of our experts at the summit. We'll see you in Houston.